Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this video is going to be about a beautiful staycation that we have come to. Post the Yugadi celebrations, we have come to this beautiful farm stay yesterday. We checked in yesterday and today it's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. We have to check out at 11. So this is a beautiful property, approx 1 hour from the city. So from our house it took us about 1.5 hours to reach. So this is somewhere near Whitefield, and it's a perfect stay for anyone who's looking to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's almost located inside a village, so it's a beautiful farm stay with vintage and a rustic vibe to it. The villa is very beautiful, so you can find all old artifacts, and the villa is beautifully decorated. So this was built by an architect, and now they are listing it out on Stay Vista to the public, where people can come and stay here. So if you're looking for a getaway with your friends, for say about 8 to 10 people, or with your family to enjoy a perfect weekend, then this is the place. They also have an in-house restaurant called the Yuka Bangalore. I hope so many of you might have seen it in the reels. So they have an in-house restaurant as well, so you can dine in there also. Talking about how to reach here, the best mode of transport would be to drive here by yourself in a car, because I don't think there is any other best transport that will help you reach here, because it's literally located inside a village and it's very remote. You'd feel like, is this even Bangalore kind of a vibe here. So yeah, the best way to reach here would be drive here, and there's ample parking space for about say 10 to 15 cars, because since there's an in-house restaurant, I think they've taken care of that part as well. So the restaurant is literally located inside the property. So both the villa and the restaurant is inside the same property. So either you can also just directly visit the restaurant itself alone, or if you're looking for the stay, you can come here and stay here at the villa for the weekend. So I'm going to be taking you through the entire villa, the house tour, give you a proper house tour of and you can see what you can expect from this stay. So this is a hosted getaway. So we have been hosted by Stay Vista. I have visited about 3 to 4 properties of stay which are listed in Stay Vista earlier, and I've literally loved each and every one of it. So this is my 5th stay with Stay Vista, 5th property that I'm visiting, and they have literally lived up to the expectations. It's very, very beautiful. We are literally the only ones inside this entire property, apart from the restaurant part of it, and it's very, very beautiful. So stay tuned, we will go see how the home looks like. So just to give you a quick recap of the previous day, so this was the previous evening we left from our house. We had 2 cars, so since we were 8 people, so my family and Amal's family, so we had to take 2 cars, and we are driving down from Uttarli to, this is somewhere near Whitefield, like I mentioned already. Since this was on Yugadi, so it was a holiday, so the roads were pretty empty. We have almost reached our stay, but there's a small catch here. The GMap takes you to the right location, but then there is a sharp left turn that you need to take from the main road. Most of the people might miss it, like we also did, but then we came back and took this route. Our first car has reached, we have already reached the stay, but then our parents who are coming in the other car have not yet reached. They are somewhere lost. So Amal has gone to pick them up from wherever they are. They have sent us the live location. I think the property owners can take care of this one, maybe put up a bigger board or something where you have to take the left turn. And yes, here they are. They have finally reached. எங்க எடுத்தாங்க எங்க அதான் கரெக்டாக சொன்னப்ப எங்கே போனீங்க ನಂಗೆ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ நான் அந்த கட்டிங் பார்த்தோன்னே சொன்னேன் அங்கிள் திட்ட போகிறாரு ஏம்மா பெஞ்சை எங்கெல்லாம் கூட்டு போகிறேன் அப்படின்ட்டு. So yes, we have finally checked into the property and we are taking a quick stroll around the property. And this one that you're seeing here is the lawn area. Apparently, the stay owners also rent this space out for, like, small events or corporate events, picnic parties, sip and paint kind of activities. So it's very very nice and it's absolutely well maintained. So this region that you're seeing here is the restaurant, is on the way to the restaurant, and which is overlooking a small lake. This is the Pinakini Lake. So we quickly head to the restaurant to have a cup of coffee or tea, and here is the family. They're all nicely sitting at the restaurant, waiting for the food. While we wait for our coffee, I thought I'll take you guys on a restaurant tour. So this restaurant is called as Yuka Bangalore. You must have seen this on quite a couple of reels from known Bangalore food influencers. So this is the restaurant and it's beautiful. So not necessarily that you need to stay in this property to visit this restaurant, but people can directly just come here to dine in at this restaurant as well. The aesthetics of this cafe or restaurant is beautifully done. Look at this cute frog kind of statue that they've kept here. Very cute, and it's overlooking the lake. Especially during sunsets, it's going to be beautiful here. So perfect for a drive, long drive, and date with your loved one. I think this is the perfect spot. You can come here or with your friends if you're looking for a weekend getaway. Definitely come here, drop by this restaurant, have some food, and drive back. We then quickly drank our coffee and tea and juice, and then we headed back to our stay, did some photo shoot, took some pretty pictures of the property. And since it was pretty hot, we couldn't spend much time outside. But then I think during June or July, it must be best. So this here that you see is basically the entrance to the property and the restaurant. So you can just enter from there, and this entire pathway from here leads to the restaurant, which is located somewhere there. But our stay is here. This is where we are staying, and also so this is a villa, 3-bedroom villa. I'm sorry, it's a 2-bedroom villa, and this here is a beautiful container stay. Especially this can be booked by couples, or if you're two people who are traveling, then this is the best stay. So this is like a container home, like a pod. So this pod has been entirely built elsewhere, and they have just transported it here, and just it's like this chunk of like a matchbox. You just take it and you place it here. So that's how this has been done, and it's very beautiful from the inside. I will show the interiors in the later part of the video because my husband is sleeping inside. And yes, so I'll just currently show you the outside of the property, how it looks. This is the villa where we are staying. So this is how the entrance of it looks. So it's very 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 beautiful. This is the entrance. It's a little messy inside because we came in here yesterday and it's almost one day here, and we've kind of dirtied up the place. So this is how the interior looks. So, and from here you can directly go to this sit out area. So yeah, they have a private like a dining space for the people who are staying in the villa. This is it, and currently we're just waiting for our breakfast to arrive. So there are caretakers here who are staying here at the property, and they will cook for us if we need anything, or we can also cook inside the villa. There is all the equipments that we need. The kitchen is fully equipped, and if you want to like cook for you and your family, you can also bring the stuff and you can make your own meal. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So I was busy vlogging, and this person was called my husband has finally woken up. How is the stay?
It's good.
It's good.
Calm.
Hmm.
Relaxing.
Relaxing, huh? So we have our breakfast ready. We have aloo paratha, puri, omelette, bread, sabzi, dahi for the aloo paratha. We're all sitting here for breakfast. Huh? We've come this way along, and this is the entrance. So as soon as you enter, you have like the entrance space, and there is our Ganpati ji. This is the entrance. I love how rustic and the vibes are here. The entire house definitely is going to blow your mind. So this is how it looks, the entrance. So as soon as you enter, can you see that on the left we have a beautiful mirror, and there's a desk. So a complete antique touch. There's a Buddha. We have jute items, and sit. There is this beautiful elephant stool, and look at this umbrella holder. How cute. So this is on the left hand side. On the right we have a wall with two chairs. One is here, one here, and a cupboard. What do we have inside this? I don't know if we can open. Okay, we have all extra toiletries and all of it. Not only toiletries, but some stuff. They've just used it as a storage. And there's a beautiful painting on top. So coming here, we have this vintage scooter. The owner actually told us that this is from 1940s or 80s. I'm not sure, I forgot. But yeah, it's a vintage scooter. And they also have a set of posters framed. So this is how it looks. So let's move on to the living space. Oh, look at this. How rustic. So this is the living area. We have a sofa, and we have like a bench for people to sit on, ottoman. There's a TV, and this beautiful wall. It's a real brick wall. Like, it's not a wallpaper or anything of that sort. It's real brick. I think it adds a rustic touch to the entire home. And they've hung some hats here. Again, vintage. So they also had some board games: chess, ludo, Scrabble. You can, if you're coming here with friends, definitely a great pastime. Some cards. We played some cards last night. And yeah, this is how the living room looks. So look at this painting. It's beautiful, and there's the Gayatri Mantra written here. And look at this. So beautiful. And we have some books here. So if you're someone who enjoys reading books during your stay, then yes. Moving on, we'll move on to the bar section. Look at this bar stool, table. So this is like really really nice, and you have two stools there, and this is the entire bar setup, like an open kitchen here. And yes, there are some glasses, vase. Look at that. So the owner here has, carefully curated each and every corner of the house. Like, he has done a lot of shopping, I think. So every piece you find here has a vintage touch to it. So you have a kitchen here. So if you guys are coming with a family or friends, and if you are someone who would like to cook up your own meal and enjoy eating with your friends, then yes, you have a fully equipped kitchen. So you can find everything here. You can help yourselves out, and there's an oven to heat up. So there's a fridge is also functional, so don't worry. We have fridge, and there are water bottles. Look at this wall. Every corner, like I mentioned, every corner of this house has something unique and beautiful. So this side they have a drawer, which again is really really nice. Okay, I'm afraid to open it. I might just trip this and break it. I don't know. I don't want to disturb that. So this is it. And coming here, we have the living room. There's a entire sofa set, so you can chill here. So look at this Buddha painting here, and this is the living room, entirely set up. So there's some interesting things. There's a station clock and some artifacts here as well. Okay, so this is the living area. Now let's move on. Before I show you the outside view, let's move on to the two bedrooms. And on the way, we have this photo wall that the owner has kept. These are all pictures of the owner and his family. And look at this, great. So we have, it's a 2-bedroom villa. So in the entrance here we have one restroom. We have all the everything. It's completely they have all the toiletries in place, and I found this one very cute. Look at this, and this is the bathroom. Like I said, each and every detail is, every corner has something vintage. Yes, that's me. And moving out of the bathroom, we are heading into the first bedroom. This is the bedroom that you're seeing here. So this has 2 single cots. So look at this, it has 2 single cots. But coming to the other side of the bedroom, you have 2, what do you call this? I don't know. It's a chair. It might look like 2 chairs, but then these are foldable beds. So you can just expand it, and you can use it as a bed. So apparently this room has 4 single beds, right? And again, look at the walls, and there are some photo frames. We also have a cupboard. This cupboard reminds me of what we have in our hometown. So basically, if you're new to my channel, my mom is from Murudeeshwar and my dad is from Udupi. So mostly in the coastal regions you have these kind of doors. Look at this. Look at the lock of the door. You just twist this, and you open it. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, so this really reminds me of my hometown, and the kind of lock it has. Coming towards the outer space here, it's a lawn, beautiful backyard lawn. You can Just open this door and you can step out. I will show you the outside view from the other room. So that's it. This is the first room that we saw, and there is a beds, like a table. Look at this. So many, unique artifacts that you can see. So moving on, let's go to the second room. We have a king size bed. Easily 3 people can sleep on it, and also an attached bathroom with a commode space and a bathing area. So this is this, and you have 2 sofas here. There are no folding beds, extra folding beds here, but then you can put a extra bed here if needed. And look at the walls. So this space leads you to a proper sit out area, and I will just open it and show you guys. So look at this. Amazing, right? Beautiful. Perfect spot, especially during the summer. If you're traveling with friends and family, you can just grab a drink and sit here with your family and chill. So there's also a bonfire space here, especially for winters. If you're traveling, then you can just move this setup there and enjoy. So this is it. I showed this earlier in the video, but I didn't show you the interior. So let's go check out how it looks from the inside. So again, here we have a beautiful sit out space, and this is the pod. It's a 1-bedroom pod, and we have a bedroom, we have a small, I think this is foldable, I'm not sure, but we have a table here, and we have stools, we have a basin, sink, and we have some, look at this, so cool. So some decor items, and this is perfect for couples, and if you're traveling, if you're just 2 people who are traveling, then this is a perfect room or a option for you guys. And again, this opens up to the lawn that we saw earlier. Look at the view. I think it will look really great in the monsoons, during the monsoon. So yes, this comes with a restroom, and look at this. I actually thought this was the wall. I don't know why I thought that, but this is a wardrobe. So this is it, and we have a restroom as well. So there's the basin, we have the commode, and there's a bathing area also. I don't know if you guys can see. Yes, and that's me. So yep, this is it. We have come to the end of this. So finally we have come to the end of this trip, and before we leave, we thought of having a quick lunch at the restaurant, because we didn't actually try the food, like dine in at the restaurant. We had ordered it last night. We had ordered it to our stay, but then we did not dine in at this restaurant. So we thought, okay, let's, before we leave, let's just go for a quick lunch. We ordered a couple of stuff, and the food here was really, really great, especially with this ambience. During summer, don't worry, they have a cooler, they have all the, necessary things in place, so you don't feel that hot. Definitely do try the food here. It's amazing. The taste, the quantity, everything was great. Like I said earlier, a perfect long drive and a date kind of place with your loved one or with friends. So we will definitely visit back here again. So we finally come to the end of this video. If you guys have not yet subscribed, please do go and subscribe right away and hit the bell icon. If you like this video, please do comment and give a review, and let me know what I can improve and what you'd like to see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Bye Songa.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.